Welcome to Jessi Fit Pilates, your home to get fit, toned, and flexible as you strengthen, stretch, and smile. Today's workout will be done in Phuket, Thailand, and it is an 8-minute intense Pilates ab workout. This workout is targeted on the abs, obliques, and the lower back. It's great for anybody who wants to tone those areas fast. If you're ready, grab your mat, grab a bottle of water, and join on in. At the end of the video, make sure you tune in for some of my travel tips. If it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe. Let me know what you liked, comment below, and make sure you share it with your friends. See you on the mat. Starting out with our spinal roll downs. Press into your toes, soften through your knees as you roll to the mat, one vertebra at a time. As you come up, drop the shoulders down. As you go down, round the spine. Soft knees. Now let's transition into our hamstring presses. You can modify with your hands on the knees, but I'm flattening my spine as I bend my knees, and I'm looking towards my knees, rounding my spine as I straighten my knees, right? Flatten, round. Inhale, exhale. I'm keeping my shoulder blades on the spine as much as possible, especially as I walk to plank and then walk back. As you walk forward, send the weight to your hands. As you come up, pike the hips to the sky. The thighs stay active the whole time. Now come on up and open the chest before coming back down and then walking back and rolling all the way up. So 4 parts, rolling down, walk to plank, hold the plank. And from here, we're going to send the hips up to our pike and start our pike knee taps. So my chest is open. I'm drawing my elbows out and I'm dropping my shoulders down towards my waist, or really up towards my waist. I'm really firing up my quads. I bend my knees and exhale, stretch to inhale. You're really going to feel this in the core. Now, come on down and we're going to transition into some ab work. Take that child's pose for a second, flip it on over. We're going to find our neutral spine first with our knees bent and our heels down. So arch and round your spine a few times. And then find the natural position of your low back. There'll be a little bit of space there. Press into the heels as you curl your head up into a crunch. I brace my abs so tight around my spine, and I'm really thinking about bending at the waist and lifting my chest towards my thighs. Now we're going to add an alternating knee raise. So one knee lifts and my knee remains at 90 degrees. I lower it with a neutral spine, and I'm really gently lifting the knee and lowering the foot down. I'm not thudding the foot. I'm gently lifting the thigh and lowering it. We're going to add on, keep the elbows wide. Think about twisting from your waist. Chest to knee, not elbow to knee. My head is really supported by my hands, and I'm really rotating from those ribs. Try to exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Keep bracing the abs tighter and tighter around the spine. We're almost there, just a few more, and then we're going to start a few rounds of pulses. Keep that feeling of the abs remaining tight and that lower back having a tiny bit of space. Hold one knee up and pulse the chest and the knee together and apart an inch. In. Now, we're going to reach those arms long and the foot long, the knee long, and start to chop up into a crunch, opposite arm and leg lift. Exhale and inhale. Know this, my spine is neutral. Know this, my arm and my leg is long. Know this, I'm supporting my head with that opposite hand. We're just about there. We're going to hold it and pulse up, up, up. Toe and fingers together. Now let's go ahead and switch. We're going to start with that first knee bent pulse in. Chest and thigh together and apart, and few more here, and then lengthen and arm and leg reach together and away. Neutral back. Shoulders are down on the back body, neck is long. That opposite hand really supports the weight of my head, so I'm not straining my neck. We're just about there. Don't forget we have those pulses, so reach them together and pulse it up, 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 and up. From here, we are going to just give our spine a little stretch before we take our hands under our hips for some lower ab work. Reach the legs long, cross at the ankle, and lower them and raise them up as you cross. The head can lift to really give you more of a challenge, and if you want to take the hands behind the nape of the neck, if it doesn't hurt your lower back, to take your hands away from that low back. Remember, at the ankle, crisscross, up, 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 down, down, down. Now with that neutral spine and that head up, can you lower those legs down slow and control up? Now, can you reach the hands long and reach for the toes? Double crunch. Now pulse it, pulse it, pulse it, pulse it. Lift, 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 lift. Try not to overwork that neck and release it on down. We're going to flip over for our lower back series, starting with our Cobra. Hands can be under the shoulders, out wide. Toes are flipping over. Press into the palms as you reach the chest up. Drop the shoulders and really spread wide through the collarbones. From there, we're going to go right into some low back work by raising the legs up, squeezing the behind, and then double it by lifting the head and the toes. Lift up, up, up. Make sure you're really engaging the belly. Do not let the ab muscles go. From here, we're going to swan back. So those arms are going to reach up and out in a semicircle as the legs reach back behind you and float off the mat until we start to flutter and kick up, 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 up. It's almost like you were pedaling in the water, and let's go ahead and press it back to our plank. Start with a mountain climber, just drawing the knee in center and then twist. Twist. Start to twist at your hips. Use those obliques. Twist. Twist. Keep pushing into those arms. Now go out wide. So wide climbers, like a spider leg. Out. Out. Out to that shoulder. Out to that shoulder. Out to that shoulder. Stay with me. Just a few more minutes. Just a few more. Now we're going to start to alternate between them all. So center and twist and wide. And right center, left, right twist, left twist, right wide, and take it back to that plank. You did it. You're amazing. Roll all the way up, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much for being here. Your body will thank you. This is Jessi Fit Pilates. Stay tuned for my quick travel tips. If it's your first time here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that little bell for notifications so you can be the first to know. I upload twice a week. Stay tuned for my travel tips and stay tuned for the other videos in the series. I'll link them below. Don't be late to your flight if you're flying domestically within Thailand, or you will be penalized 3,000 baht to buy a new ticket. Check-in is 45 minutes before.